Hello guys, review Realme Note 80, this version 4GB RAM and 128GB storage, open box and look completion. In completion we have device, okay, and in this we have a protected back case, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Good completion. We have 6000 mAh battery, 48 months support. Updates 7.94 millimeters ultra slim design. Okay. On this side power button, warm buttons. On this side slot for two SIM cards and two nano SIM cards and micro SD card for memory. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device. We have display 6.74 inch HD plus resolution, 90 Hz LCD matrix. Open settings, look Android version 15 and Realme UI launcher. Open tests, Geekbench. Look results Geekbench. We have CPU Unisoc T7250. This is GPU test results and CPU test results. Look Antutu benchmark. Okay, Antutu benchmark, close this. And PUBG Mobile works on the low graphic level only on this device. Now I show you photos on the main camera. We have 10x zoom, video we can record. And now I show you photos on the main camera, let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.